to install the side hanging bag. First, button the 4 button on the top. Fasten the top button. Stick the front Velcro. Then stick the back one. Now the overall side hanging bag is installed. If you want more space, you can expand it. Unzip the side bag zipper. And do the same on the other side. Peel off the Velcro on top. Release the lower floor and put the Velcro down. Thread Velcro through support bars and secure. And do the same on the other side. Side bag installation complete. A side hanging bag can hold over 50 liters.